Well, we're back with the Flying Can Ranch, Cedar Creek, Lake, Texas. Not too long ago, I posted a video on a Black Ops sniper rifle combo in a 177 caliber. So I've got it loaded up. There's one of the pipes. Safety is on. And let's set this down and let's see what it can do. Hopefully that'll stay right. It's not. There we go. Hopefully that'll stay right there. Let's rock and roll. As you know, bottles first. Alright, let's see what we got. Perfect. I saw where one of those went. Not quite sure where the other one went. There it is, one of those. We'll lay those out right here. Put our cans back out. Okay, we're going to take a couple of shots here on the cans. And then we'll keep rolling. So bear with me here. All right, let's flip these around. A couple more shots. We'll call it good. Turn that around that way. All right, load it up, ready to go. Let's have at it. I think I can say, in all honesty, let's run over here real quickly. I can say I'm pretty happy with that result. Got one a little off on there. Good exit. We not quite as tight on this one. I don't know why, but got a couple of doubles there at the bottom. But I'm happy with that. Again, good exit. Sounds like one of them is in the can. Yep. It bounced back, but that's good. Very, very good. Pickle bottles. If you can see it, I nailed him right there at the bottom. And you can see where it came clean out. That's good. And I don't know where I got. Yeah, right here. Hopefully you can see that hole right there, and made a nice clean exit. So I'm very happy with that. Now we're going to go back to the board real quick. One of my viewers a while back, we kind of went, or I did anyway, tit for tat about some of my videos, and we finally came to going back and forth. I had to kind of apologize to him, and we settled like two grown men. So that's a good deal. So, if he's watching this one, bear in mind I'm just doing this on my cell phone. I don't have a lot of camera work. So, that being said, there it is right there. That's the 177 caliber version. I actually was going to light the other one up while I was at it, but I forgot to bring the pellets out for it. So there's the 177. And over here is the 22 with the Winchester scope on it. Now, I got some good accuracy out of it. The scope has a good sight picture, I will say that for it. I've had better scopes, so I would like to put a better scope on it. I did dial underneath that the trigger, there's a little screw. I did dial that clockwise a couple of turns. Took up some of that slack where I don't have to, but it is sort of a tough trigger on these. They really are. I think there's better ones because these sell for about $200 new on Ergo Depot or Pyramid Air. But they are fun to shoot. They're good to collect. A lot of stuff to tighten, a lot of stuff to lock tight. Now bear in mind, this is an eBay buy, by the way. I haven't cleaned the barrel, I haven't tightened anything down, and those are results I got, so I'm real happy with it. Is it quiet? No, it's not the most quietest thing. Where I live, I can get away with it. Urban setting, you will not. So for pest control or just general plinking, I'd say that it would work. Now I've got some Gamos that I gave maybe a little less for on bids, and there were some I bought new, and they're dead on. That last one I reviewed, I don't remember what it was. It was just right on the money, perfect. So with that being said, I just want to share that with you. And I've got another one I'm going to try to get out today. I've got to run over and get some stuff off her porch and stuff real quick before the porch pirates come. But there's the 177, and there's the 22 version. They'll both bring you hours of enjoyment if you just get used to them and get them broke in good. And that's the big thing, is getting them broke in. You know, so I probably got well over 300 rounds out of that one. I don't know the life of this one, so I can't say, but it was very accurate. I was happy with it. I hit everything I aimed at right when I aimed at it. Can't complain. So again, wanted to share it with you, and I've got another video, but just in case, I know I'm not supposed to say this, but Merry Christmas to everybody. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. I never expected to have that many, so that's a big deal to me. So I will catch you all later from the Flying Can Ranch.